This is a schematic of DDS based CW transceiver. Here is the input from relay antenna input, and this is a band pass filter for 40 meters. This is the mute circuit. So we are listening the same frequency which we transmit. So all the transmitting and receiver is assembled very closely. So I decided to mute very close to NE602 input. So here is the clock one from SI5351 for VFO input. This is the first mixture. After that is the ladder filter for 10 MHz. Here is the product detector, also 10 MHz. After that preamp, then LM386 audio amplifier. Both the 602 running with 7805 5 volt, regulated 5 volt. So band pass filter L1 and L2. In between you can find the capacitors. First mixer, it is coming from this SI5351 clock. Ladder filter 10 MHz, and second mixer product detector. This is also 10 MHz beat frequency oscillator. Audio preamp and LM386 audio power amp connected to the speaker. Now let us see the transmitter. Nothing fancy here. It's a usual IRF 510 5 watt transmitter. I am directly connecting this clock 3 to buffer, first driver using 2N2222, and second driver BD139, then third IRF 510. I maintained 50 milliampere ideal current. So all the transformers here I am using TV balloon core and single low pass filter for 7 MHz. I tested and tuned for 7.4 MHz and below low pass filter, and it is very good output I am having. So here is the transformer circuit. First driver BD139 and IRF 510. So this is receiver, clock, VFO and transmit frequency generator based on SI5351, and transmitter, and here is my low pass filter. This is a relay, and one portion I used for voltage of transmit circuit, and another portion I used for antenna switchover. The receiver is always on, so we are hearing our transmitted signal in our receiver.